Our next two lessons are going to focus on proper pronunciation and sound production. Some of you might have this TH sound in your language, and if so, then you're already ready. You can skip this part of the lesson. But for those of you who don't, this is going to be a very important part of the English lesson. This TH sound is often very strange and uncomfortable for those of you who don't know how to use it, don't know how to say it. But in this video, I'm going to help you speak just like a native speaker. So let's start with the first TH sound. In English, there are two TH sounds. Let's begin with the first one. Now this TH sound is the easier one of the two, perhaps. And we find it in words like thank you, think, through, thoughtful, and many, many other words. We are going to begin by first putting our tongue in between our teeth. And then you are going to blow air out of your mouth, shooting it forward. So it will look something like this. It might feel kind of strange, but that's the correct way to make the sound. Make sure you're practicing with me, okay? Let's go. Now say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good. Now let's do it with the word think. 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 Here are a list of many words that make this sound. Go ahead and write them down and make sure that you write this symbol with it because this symbol shows which TH sound these words make. Okay, great job. Now, let's get into the next sound. And this is the TH sound that we will find in words like this and that. Also, further in the lesson, these and those. So we're going to do the same thing with the tongue placement. However, this time, when we blow out the air, there's not going to be as much air blown out, and instead we're going to have sort of like a vibrating sound at the tip of the tongue. So it's going to sound something like this. This, that. It might tickle your lips a little bit, and if that's happening, it's perfect because that's what it's supposed to do. Now let's practice with some words. There, these. Keep practicing and you will get it perfectly. Let's keep practicing. Now we are going to practice some TH sounds. Make sure to repeat what you hear and see. Repeat after me. Remember, these two symbols will show us which TH sound we're going to use. Think, theater, thief, that, there, them. Continue practicing these sounds, and you can also go back and keep watching the video over and over again until you feel comfortable with these sounds. Great job!